First, we're going to talk about past participles. Past participle. A past participle is the impersonal form of a verb. So, as a review, you should know that there are three impersonal forms of verbs. You have the indicative, you have the present participle, and then you have the past participle. And we're not trying to do this as a grammar class, but understanding what these are will help you be able to understand the language better. The indicative we've already seen is the ad, or ir ending form of the verb, right? The indicative is the ad, ir. The present participle we've seen is the ando or yendo ending form of the verb, right? Ando, yendo. We've seen that the ando or yendo we combine with estar, right? For something known as the progressive, right? So impersonal form of the verb is the indicative. Hablar, right? It's called impersonal because you cannot say yo hablar, nosotros hablar. You can't use it with one of the grammatical persons. Okay? Then you have the ando. If you want to say hablar, that would become hablando. I am speaking, yo estoy hablando. You cannot say yo hablando. You can't say nosotros viviendo en Chicago. You have to say nosotros estamos viviendo en Chicago. You can't say nosotros vivir en Chicago either. Right? You can't just use the verb in the infinitive. What we learn how to do is we can combine it with other verbs. Nosotros queremos vivir en Chicago. A nosotros nos gusta vivir en Chicago. Nosotros tenemos que vivir en Chicago. Right? Whatever, any other of the basic actions that we've seen. Now we're going to see the past participle, and the past participle is very similar in construction to the present participle. What we do is we're going to do the same thing. We're going to substitute an ending, and if the verb is ad, we're going to substitute the ad with ado. Not with ando, but with ado. And if the verb is or ir, we're going to substitute with ido. That's why hablar would become hablado, right? Comprar would become
comprado.
Trabajar,
Trabajado.
trabajado. Visitar,
Visitado.
visitado. Correcto. And then if it's an ER ending verb, ¿cómo se dice to sell?
Vende. Vender.
Vender. Vender would be the to sell, vender. The past participle would be
Vendido.
vendido. Vendido. ¿Cómo se dice to learn?
Aprendido.
To learn,
Aprendado.
aprender. Aprender. To learn, the presentation of the verb in the infinitive is aprender. The past participle would be
Aprendido.
aprendido. Right? The past participle is aprendido. Right? ¿Cómo se dice to know, as in to know information?
Conocer.
Okay, that would be the other one.
The other one.
¿Cómo se dice I don't know?
No sé.
No sé.
Saber.
Saber. Very good. Saber. I think just went up there. Saber. Muy bien, saber. And the past participle of saber is
Sabido.
sabido. Correcto. And the other one, conocer. The past participle of conocer is
Conocido.
conocido. Correcto. Muy bien. ¿Cómo se dice to go up?
Subir.
Subir. Very good. Past participle.
Subido.
Subido. ¿Cómo se dice to go?
Ir.
Past participle.
Ido.
Ido. Ido. Ido. Right, the whole verb is an ending. The past participle is also an ending. Ido. ¿Cómo se dice to come?
Venir.
Venir. Past participle.
Venido.
Venido. Correcto. Very good. Okay, so the past participles, right? The past participles, what you do, you replace the ending ad for ado, ir for